Let's take a look at our fourth problem or type, where we solve a linear inequality. Let's first look at the steps. Excuse me. Okay, we have our note up at top. At any step, combine like terms and combine numbers. Step 1, get rid of parentheses. Step 2, get rid of fractions. We get rid of parentheses via the distributive property. We get rid of fractions by multiplying everything by the LCM of all our denominators. And step 3, get everything with an x on the left side, numbers on the right side. And step 4, divide both sides by the number in front of the x. We have a note down here at the bottom. If you multiply or divide both sides by a negative number, flip the inequality symbol. So let's work a couple of examples using these steps. And find where I put my pen at. Well, there's one there. Okay. Get it to work. There it goes. Okay. 4a. We got negative 5 times x minus 3 is less than 4 times x plus 2 and minus 7. First step, get rid of parentheses. Here we got a negative 5 in front of the parentheses. We're going to take that and multiply times the x and times the negative 3. And here we'll take this 4 and multiply times the x and times the 2. Negative 5 times x gives us negative 5x. Negative 5 times negative 3 gives us a positive 15. Now I multiply by a negative number, but you got to multiply both sides by a negative number in order to flip the inequality symbol. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 2 is 8. At any step, combine together like terms, combine together numbers. Over on the right side, we got 8 minus 7, which gives us 1. Step 3, get everything with an x on one side, numbers on the other. So I'll take the 4x over there. I'll take the 15 over here. When you move anything across your inequality symbol, the sign changes. So the 4x becomes a negative 4x. The positive 15 becomes a negative 15. At any step, combine together like terms. Negative 5x, negative 4x is negative 9x. And combine together numbers. 1 minus 15 gives us negative 14. And last step, divide both sides by the number in front of your x, which is a negative 9. Now since we're dividing by a negative number, we're going to flip the inequality symbol. The less than becomes a greater than. Now over here, the negative 9s will cancel. And we got x is greater than, and negatives will cancel there. X is greater than 14 ninths. Let's see, 4b, 2/12 x is greater than 1/20 x minus 1. First step, get rid of parentheses. Don't have any. Actually, let me simplify this fraction first. The 2/12 reduces to 1/6. I'm not sure if I actually simplify that in the PDF solution where I work this out, but I don't think I noticed that when we came up with the original problem. First step, get rid of parentheses. Don't have any. Second step, get rid of fractions. Multiply everything by the LCM of all the denominators. And if I look at 6 and 20, 60 is our LCM. So I'll multiply everything by 60. There we go. Now in this one, 60 and 6 both divisible by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 60 divided by 6 is 10. Over here, 20 and 60 both divisible by 20. 20 divided by 20 is 1. 60 divided by 20 is 3. Now, if you know you picked the right LCM if you end up with 1s in all your denominators, which we did. 10 times 1 is 10 with an x. 3 times 1 is 3 with an x. And 60 times negative 1 gives us negative 60. Step 3. Get everything with an x and 1s on the left side, numbers on the right side. So take the 3x over there. Becomes a negative 3x. When you move anything across the inequality symbol, the sign changes. Combine together like terms. 10x minus 3x is 7x. And last step is to divide both sides by the number in front of your x, which is 7. So I'll divide the 7x by 7 and negative 60 by 7. So 7 is going to cancel there. And we got x is greater than negative 60 over 7. And that's our answer.